Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to check nearby Snapchat users. So now without any further ado, let me show you how you can do this step. So first of all, simply launch Snapchat application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you are here on your Snapchat account, at the bottom left corner of your screen, you can see a location icon. Simply tap on that location icon. With that, your Snapchat map will open and you can also see your Bitmoji on your Snapchat map where you are at. Now, just on your Snapchat map, you can see several blue dots, which means that there are people who have been publicly uploading snaps nearby you. So for instance, if you tap on a certain blue dot, like this, you can see various snaps uploaded by people nearby you. And if you tap on that specific person's Bitmoji at the right-hand corner, that person's profile will open and then you can simply tap on the option of add if you wish to add this person. Now, if you go back and tap on the right-hand side of each snaps, various other snaps will load of people who are nearby you. So if you again tap on the Bitmoji with the plus icon on it, you will come across their profile and then you can simply tap on add if you wish to add this person who is nearby you. Now let's go back to Snap Map again, and you can also tap on certain locations mentioned. So for instance, there's a location called Hyde Park in London. So let me tap on it and you can see other various public snaps uploaded by people. You can open these snaps and then you will be able to check people who are nearby you. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.